Hey mga Fortune Pamilya! Lucky Friday is just around the corner pero naguguluhan ka pa rin ba kung paano sumali sa aming raffle? Well, no worries because I got you covered. Just follow these 5 steps and you're good to go. Automatic nakasali ka na sa aming raffle and may chance ka ng manalo this Lucky Friday. Step 1, i-follow ang Fortune Pay official Facebook page. Step 2, i-share ang post na ito on your feed and set it to public. Step 3, magtag ng 5 Facebook friends in the comments with the hashtag FortunePay. Step 4, pay an amount of 100 pesos using the Fortune Pay app. Step 5, send a proof confirming that all mechanics were followed in the Fortune Pay customer support. And that's it! You are now officially part of the raffle. Stay tuned in our FB Live every Friday and makisali sa pamimigay namin ng saya, sorpresa at papremyo. Kita-kits mga ka-Fortune Pamilya!